Dito, come here. Come here. Here. Stay here, yes. If they cheat you, they tell that they cheat you. Ready, go!
Okay, ready na! Ready, pabilisan takbo! Ready! Ready!
Ready? 2,
3! Wala, natalo pa kayo na matalran.
ang pwet na tulis. Asan? Oh, regalo! The gift!
Sino yung apat? Ay, meron ako yan. Ay, hindi ka naman nanalo.
Oh, gift!
Sino nanalo?
Oh, come here! Gano'n nanalo!
Hindi kasama yung masakit ka na. Oh, banana cake.
Ay, sana all. Pero bibili na kaya. Akin natin. Ayan, ang regalo from Kelly. Oh, ang nako. Sana nanalo kayo. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng ano. The prize is! At sa gusto pa lang, meron kong pisama binibenta. Who wants else to pay? Okay, go.
Hindi, magpapasalamat lang kami sa lahat-lahat. Ayun lang. Salamat sa pagpunta.
Ayan. Heels. Ay, wala, nakabidyo po ako. Nakabidyo. Hindi.
Dahil nakabidyo, sige, basahin ko na lang yung code book ko.
Okay. Go.
Okay. I would like to extend my warmest appreciation to all the members of the OPC organization for the effort each of you has put in, as well as to our generous collaborators, kaso wala na sila dito, the Island Club and the Art Explorer. And together we have become pillars of the successful event, and may we all be blessed in everything we do. That's all.
Thank you.
Again, thank you sa lahat. Ate Sen, sa extra support mo talaga sa amin, superb. Thank you. Sa birthday mo ulit.
Ayan. Thank you so much.
Invite ourselves.
Okay, thank you so much, our secretary, Geraldine. Okay, thank you so much for coming, everyone.
Kumanta ka na, meron na.
Kaya 4 o'clock.